Folders keep the Seesaw Journal organized so teachers, students, and families can easily see growth over time. Many teachers use folders to organize their Seesaw posts and activities by subject. However, there are many other ways to use folders in Seesaw. Let's take a look at how teachers and students use folders to see growth over time. First, let's learn how to create folders. To create a folder, tap on the wrench icon in the top left corner of your Seesaw journal. Scroll to the Folders section, tap Manage Folders, then name your folder and choose your color. Tap the green check and your folder is created. It's that easy. Now that you know how to create folders, let's talk about the ways you can use folders with your students. Create special folders to showcase learning over time. A conference folder is a great way to highlight all the amazing student learning from the term, semester, or quarter. When you adjust your settings to allow students to add posts to folders, students can add posts that showcase their strengths, highlight growth, and show where they still want to improve. This is a great way to encourage student agency over their learning. Another special folder you can create is a My Best folder. This can be created for a specific subject area. For example, you could create a My Best Writing folder and have students add one piece of writing each month. Create a Seesaw activity that includes a rubric for students to use to assess their writing. At the end of each month, assign the activity to students. Students look over their writing from the month and choose their best piece based on the criteria set in the rubric. Students use the photo tool to take a picture of the writing they chose and explain why they think it's their best work. Having students add work to a My Best folder encourages reflection and motivates students to continue to do their best. Reviewing work by folder allows you to easily see your students' growth over time. From the Journal tab, tap on the folder icon next to Class Journal above your students' names. Select the folder you would like to view to see all the posts added to that folder. Now that you have a plan for using folders with your students, let's see how students add all of their hard work to folders. When students create a post with the green Add button, they can add their own post to a folder you have created. When students tap the green check to add their post to the journal, a list of all the folders you have created will pop up. Students simply tap the folder they would like to add their post to and tap the green check again. Their work will be tagged to the folder they selected. Students can post work by subject that supports their goals, shows their growth, and much more. Folders allow students and teachers to easily see growth over time, all while keeping their journal organized. Your challenge this week is to create folders for your class and assign and tag one Seesaw activity to a folder. Share the creativity you capture on Twitter using the hashtag SeesawMeAMinute.